Hello friends, this is Gurpreet Singh from Signature Visas, and today I'm going to provide you with the step-by-step guide on how to apply for a Canada study visa. So all knowledge seekers, get ready to embark on a journey as we unravel the secrets of the study permit in Canada, and we'll also talk about September 23 intake and January 24 intake. The first important thing is to choose the designated learning institution. You need to select a recognized Canadian university, college, or educational institution that offer programs suitable for your study goals. Ensure that the institution is designated by the Canadian government in order to host international students. Second important thing is the eligibility requirements. To be eligible for a study visa, you must meet certain requirements such as having a valid passport, being in good health, having no criminal record, etc. Kindly also check the IELTS scores required to apply for the particular course you want to enroll yourself for. So the next important thing is the relevant course. It is very important to have a match between your previous education and the course you choose for further studies in Canada. The main reason for most of the refusals of a study visas is the irrelevancy. So please do detailed research of all the courses before you apply. Next, you should keep 4 to 5 options in your hand. Students usually go for colleges wherein there is no admission fee, but most of the students end up having no seat, hence lose time and the intake. So it is advisable to register yourself for 2 free and 2 paid colleges so that the chances of getting admission goes higher. Next is the IELTS band score. Many students think that if they get overall 6 bands, they will get the visa easily. Well, not really. You will get it, but only if you have relevant work experience in the same field. You may have to justify that even if you get low score or less bands, you will perform well. Next is the SOP, the most important. As you all know that the most important thing is the SOP, as you have to provide multiple information from showing your interest in pursuing higher education in Canada, how good you will perform to develop new skills during your studies, to giving the reason why you would come back to India after the completion of the course, and what kind of jobs you will get in India. And the next and the last is right guidance. You need a right counselor to find a common ground so that you get the study visa easily. Do not hesitate at all to tell them about your scores and bands so that they help you choose the right course accordingly. So contact the right consultant who will also guide you on the right place to go and will provide with the detailed information of colleges and universities. And now we will talk about the September 23 and January 24 intake. The September 23 intake is approaching, and those who are looking to apply for September 23 intake, you can contact us and we will help you with your application process and submit the file for the visa. But you should only apply for September 23 intake if you are ready with your funds. In case you are planning to take the education loan, then we would advise to apply for January 24 intake, because it usually takes 3 to 4 weeks to register the application. So if you start now, by the time you will get the letter of acceptance, May 23 will get over, and then to apply for loan it will take another 3 to 4 weeks to get approved, and by then January 23 will be over. That means you will be filing your visa in the month of July. Hence you will get very limited time to process and get your visa for September 23 intake. Also, most of the programs are full now. However, there are still some options available. So only and only your funds are ready, then only apply for September 23 intake. Though it might be a little tight, but we hope that you get a quick response from the authorities. It is very important to know that application process and requirements can vary based on individual circumstances, and the Canadian immigration regulation in effect at the time of your application. So if we talk about January 24 intake, there are plenty of options available and lots of colleges and programs are open in Ontario, British Columbia, Alberta, etc. Depending on your location preference, we will help you with the entire process. The correct shortlisting will be the key major point which we need to consider while doing the application, because the whole visa journey depends on how specifically you have chosen the course and how your counselor is going to help you write your SOP, file your visa and show your financials, because these are the points which make sure that you are going to get your visa. Remember to start the application process well in advance, as processing times may vary. So if you need help with your profile shortlisting, with the education loan, IELTS training or the SOP writing, whatever help you may require, we are just a click away. So do not delay in connecting with us, and we will help you with the entire process, giving complete guidance on the registration of the application so that you get the offer letter on time, giving you enough time to get the visa filed and receive the letter of acceptance. We look forward to speaking with you with regard to your queries. Till then, take care. From Signature Visas. Thank you.